Hi everybody, it's Julie. If you've been following my blog at treatrosacea.wordpress.com, then you know that I've been using red light therapy as a part of my overall rosacea treatment. I've been using the Peak 630 LED light therapy set to do it, and I've had a lot of questions on how I've actually been using it, and thank you very much for those questions, but I thought I would actually create this video to show you about the Peak 630 kit from Light Therapy Options. That's where I got it. And so I thought I would show you exactly how I personally use it and how I've been bringing down my symptoms. So this is what I got in the box. There's the welcome letter that tells you about all the support that they'll give you. There's the user guide, the guidelines for use, that I actually recommend reading all the way through because that was very helpful to me. It shows you pretty much everything you need to know. And then there's the bulb and the lamp. And the bulb comes up, and fortunately it's very durable, so even I won't break it. And the lamp itself, it's just like a regular clamp light. And you just put the bulb into it, and it's light and durable and small. And the clamp light actually comes apart. It's got a little wing nut that's really easy to open by hand. You don't need any tools or anything, and you can separate them so that you can use it just handheld, or you can put it back onto the clamp. And the clamp is useful, especially if you don't want to hold it the entire time, because you can clamp it to for example, the side of a door or a piece of furniture or whatever you want to clamp it to. And even because red light therapy can help you with things like acne and scarring and things like that as well, there are a lot of uses for it. So if you wanted to do your back or something like that, then that makes it really handy. And these are the sunnies, basically the goggles to protect your eyes. They come with a little elastic string that wasn't actually attached, so you have to attach it yourself to adjust it for yourself. I just did a little knot. I don't know if that's some sort of special knot, but that's how I did it. And that would be the entire kit that you get. I personally also use a headband when I'm doing my red light therapy. Not today because I've got a ponytail in, but it keeps all of the little hairs out of my face. I don't know if that would be enough to block anything, but it makes me feel better. So to use it, obviously, I take my glasses off. I've just washed my face. As you can see, that's why my skin is slightly irritated and redder than it normally looks. It's because still, contact and things like that still cause my skin to be a little more red. After about 10 minutes, that'll calm down though. So with a clean face, you follow the directions in the guide. The directions are actually awesome. They're not long, so you don't have to spend a lot of time, and it comes with pictures. For example, the face has 3 different areas, your left side, the center, and the right side, so obviously not that complicated. And then there is a table so that you can see all of the different types of light therapy, all the different lights, and then all of the different purposes. So I looked up rosacea, and then I looked up the Peak 630 light that I have. And then you just follow it down on the chart, and it says you use it for 90 to 180 seconds, so that's 1.5 to 3 minutes. If you've been following the blog, you know that for purposes of science, I've been doing one side of my face with 90 seconds and one with 180 seconds, and then I do 90 seconds from the front, and you use it from about 6 inches to 12 inches away from your skin. Don't go much closer than that, just because you'll lose the amount of space coverage, and I don't know why else. It just tells you that's the distance that you're supposed to use it, so that's what I do. And then you just put the goggles on, which is actually a lot easier than I'm making it look in this video because I'm awesome in front of the camera. So you just take the light and you take the little on-off switch, which is, the most complicated part of the piece, and it's a regular switch on-off. So you put your goggles over your eyes just because it is extremely, extremely bright, and, well, they're just ever so stylish. And you put the device 6 to 12 inches away from your face, and you do the one side, and you do that for 90 to 180 seconds. Obviously, I'm not going to make you watch all that. Then you do it from the front, same deal. And then you make sure that you get the other side. And if you notice, you cover a lot of skin with that. You cover the entire side of your face, the entire front of your face, and then the entire other side of your face. So it is very fast. You could actually do the entire treatment, all 3 sessions, in under 5 minutes, in 4.5 minutes. I personally use a timer because you've got the goggles on and it's very bright. You can't see anything, so I have an app on my tablet that I use because I'm using the tablet to film this video. I can't show you the app that I'm using, but it's a regular kitchen timer. It's just something that you can use to film 90 seconds. And well, that's everything. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you will press the button down below and subscribe. I'm also on Twitter at treat_rosacea. And I look forward to seeing you next time.